Welcome to DentalRx. In this video, we'll walk through everything available to you as a lab administrator, from managing your doctors to configuring how the portal looks and works. Let's get started. When you log in as an admin, you land on the dashboard. At the top, you'll see a greeting with today's date. Below that, any announcements you've posted will appear. We'll cover those later. The stat cards give you a quick snapshot of case activity over the last 90 days. Total cases, received and pending, in progress, out for try-in, quality control passed, and shipped. Each card is clickable and takes you directly to that filtered view in all cases. Below the stats, you'll find your recent cases list. The most recently submitted cases with patient name, status, and due date at glance. Click All Cases in the left sidebar. This is your master view of every case submitted through the portal. At the top, you have 6 stat cards broken down by status. Same as the dashboard, but always visible here as you work. The search bar lets you search by case number, patient name, or doctor name. To the right of the search bar, you have 3 filter dropdowns: status, flags, and date range. Use these to narrow down exactly what you're looking at. Click any case row and a detail panel slides in from the right. This shows you everything about that case: patient name, sex, teeth, shade, due date, and the doctor's special instructions. Below that, you'll see the case items with each procedure line. If there are enclosures, those appear at the bottom. The flag section at the top of the detail panel shows you if a case is marked as a remake, an adjustment, or if the doctor has requested a call. In the top right of the detail panel, you'll see a full view button. Click that to open the complete case detail page where you can see the full progress bar, tracking information, and case timeline. Next in the sidebar is Messages Inbox. This is where all messages from your doctors land. You'll see a badge on the menu item showing how many unread messages you have. Inside, messages are listed with the sender, subject, and a preview of the message. Unread messages are highlighted with a teal left border. Mark any message read, and the doctor will get a notification you read it. If the doctor attached files to their message, you can download them from the thread. Manage Users is where you control who has access to the portal. You'll see a list of all registered doctors with their name, practice, email, status, and whether they're linked to a QuickBooks customer. Doctors who are not yet linked show an unlinked badge. They have limited access until you link them. On any row, you can toggle their account active or inactive. Inactive accounts cannot log in. You can also toggle their ability to submit cases independently of the global setting. The search bar at the top lets you filter by name, practice, or email. Next, click on QB linking. QB linking is one of the most important setup steps. This is where you connect each portal doctor to their corresponding customer record in DentaLab for QuickBooks. The screen is split into 3 panels. On the left, unlinked portal users. On the right, your QuickBooks customers. And below, currently linked pairs. To link a doctor, select their name on the left, select their matching QuickBooks customer on the right, and click the link button. The doctor will now have full case submission access, and their cases will tie back to the correct customer in QuickBooks. To unlink a pair, find them in the linked list at the bottom and click Unlink. Announcements let you post messages that appear on every doctor's dashboard when they log in. Click New Announcement to create one. Give it a title, write your message, set an optional expiration date, and choose whether to pin it. Pinned announcements stay at the top of the list and display with a highlighted border so your doctors can't miss them. Unpinned announcements can be dismissed by the doctor. Your existing announcements are listed here with their title, expiration, and pinned status. Click the Remove button to delete one. You'll be asked to confirm before anything is removed. Branding lets you make DentalRx look like your lab's own portal. At the top, you can set your portal name and tagline. These appear on the login page and in the sidebar. Below that, colors. You have 2 color pickers: accent color and button color. The accent color controls the sidebar, NAV highlights, badges, and links. The button color controls all primary action buttons. Colors update live as you pick them, so you can see the effect immediately. Hit Save to keep them. The login page icon section lets you choose between a built-in icon or uploading your own logo. If you upload a logo, it replaces the icon on the login page and in the sidebar header. For best results, upload an image at 400 by 110 pixels. The feature list section lets you customize the 5 bullet points that appear on the left side of the login page. Use these to highlight what's most important to your doctors. On the right side of the screen, you'll always see a live preview of both the login page and the sidebar, so you know exactly how things will look before saving. At the top right is a Reset to Defaults button, which will restore all branding settings to the original DentalRx defaults. Lab Documents lets you upload files that all of your doctors can access, shade guides, material references, policy documents, anything you want to make available to every practice. Click Upload Document, choose your file, give it a name, and save. Doctors will see these files under Lab Documents in their sidebar and can download them at any time. To remove a document, click the Delete icon next to it. Case Settings controls how case submission works for your doctors. At the top, you can configure which fields are required on submission: patient age, patient sex, shade, teeth, special instructions, minimum 1 case item, and return date. Toggle any of these on, and doctors will not be able to submit without filling them in. Minimum case days lets you set a minimum number of business days between today and the requested return date. If a doctor tries to set a due date too soon, the portal will warn them and block submission. Below that are optional settings. Restrict shade selection to your list set in DentaLab for QuickBooks. Enable or disable case images, documents, and digital files attachments. You can also select the item source from DentaLab. Let the doctor select from your marked product lists, standard procedures, or both. Integrations covers your data folder, where case attachments get placed, maximum file size per attachment, your custom prescription template if Mainstreet systems made one for you, and which portal features you want to enable or disable. You can also set up your shipping carriers, UPS and FedEx. This is what powers the Generate Shipping Label feature for your doctors. For each carrier, you'll enter your account credentials, shipper address, and preferences. Once configured, doctors can generate prepaid labels directly from the portal using your account. Test your connection using the Test button before saving. Settings has 2 sections: SMTP email and lab contact information. SMTP is required for the portal to send emails, verification links for new doctors, message notifications, prescription emails, and password resets. Enter your mail server host, port, username, password, and sender name. Use the Test SMTP button to verify your connection before saving. If you do not know your SMTP settings, contact Mainstreet Systems today. We will be happy to help you. Lab contact information is what doctors see on the Contact a Lab page: your lab's name, phone, address, email, website, and hours. Fill this in so doctors always know how to reach you. DentalRx is designed to be HIPAA compliant and follows industry standard security practices. That covers everything in the admin controls. If you're interested in the available add-ons for DentalRx, check out our other videos. If you have any questions or need help with your setup, reach out to us at Mainstreet Systems. We're always happy to help.